Okay, so I've got my quest system pretty much working. I have got one slight issue where the give up button doesn't really want to work. That might be because I don't have like a full quest list. I only have one quest available. So I'll just go through this quickly. So I've got my public enumerations. Enumerators are kind of like an abstract base class. So in these cases, not available, available, accepted, complete, and done. And effectively, this means that I've kind of programmed these states, so we know what is available, what's accepted, what's completed, etc. That is part of the quest manager system here. So as you can see here, you might be able to see on this, there's a lot of like repetition. So we've got the available quest ones here, and we have that's basically called the enumerator, which is available. So, and they kind of work. I mean, some of the functions work a little bit different than others, but and then we've also got the quest UI manager, and this is that, and the quest objects are basically the NPC, the quest giver, and also like the various triggers that we be using to manage all the different quests. So when we have a player object go to a certain location, when it hits a certain box collider, which is set as a trigger, and then we set that as like effectively a quest waypoint, so to speak, then it all kind of relates to one another. And these ones, yeah, Q button script ignore. Well, I mean, I could probably take all this out. Yeah, because I've commented these out. Because a lot of these functions are now as part of the Quest UI manager. So yeah, this is all basically all the back end stuff for how the UI communicates information to the player. And yeah, this is for the quest log. I've got like a quest log, and I've also got and just the quest as well, because I've got two separate pages. Oh, it's gone out of focus, isn't it? I'll just go to here. That should, yeah, there we go. So I've got one quest here. Yeah, let's just change that to just trip around the block, because it's too big. I need to start change the size of the spacer for where the writing is, because yeah, when I tested this before, it was covering up the cancel button. I think the cancel button works. I haven't tested that yet. I'll give it a go now. So it's just a really simple quest. So yeah, we'll just go over to this guy, and yeah, got one quest here: trip around the block. Trip around the block. How about you test your engines, fly past Mars and return? Let's go accept, and yeah, just fly past Mars. And let's just return back. That should be enough. Ooh. Okay, so okay, oh yeah, you made it. Get your reward. I haven't set any rewards up or anything like that. Very simple quest. I know it looks pretty much the same as what I showed off earlier, but now everything communicates properly, apart from the give up button. I can't seem to get that working. So I'm just going to test another thing. So I can bring that up. So yeah, so I've got like this is the quest log. So this is different from what I've got. And I can also see the X button works. Okay, so I'll do that. Accept. And now if I go to here, see, I can see what so I've got like a quest log here. yeah, so yeah, it works. I haven't got like the give up function working for some reason. I'll have to look into that. Maybe I've missed something out. But yeah, this is the building blocks to how I want to set up my quests, really. I will just show you. Yeah, so how I'm going to have my quests all set up. Quest system. Yeah, so NPC gives quest. I'm going to have the cargo container is going to be basically like a key item. And I need to have that key item in order to turn on the trigger that activates the completion state of the quest. So the cargo key turns on the quest like waypoint box collider, so it turns that on. So then you can trigger it, and then you can return back to the NPC to complete the quest. Now there's probably going to be an easier, better, more efficient way of doing that. But I don't really know how to do that yet, so I'm still learning. Yeah, and I was a little bit ambitious with some ideas as well. But yeah, so that's good quest manager system there. Win fail states, pretty much got that, to be honest. I mean, I could just get rid of that. I'll keep it there anyway. But yeah, gonna have to do the mine for resources bit, because I want to be able to like fly about and collect resources for the ship to power for fuel. And I'm going to split the map into different sectors so it's easier to navigate. Might even have a mini map. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, that's kind of what I've got so far. I'm really, really impressed with this. I think it's pretty cool. And just fly off. Till I've, yeah, I mean, it works pretty well. I quite like the flying. I'm going to make a more interesting background. But yeah, this video's gone on way too long.